You don't need $1 million budget or some fancy viral campaign to get your first 1000 users. What you need is focus and a strategy that actually works. I'm about to give you the exact playbook to do it step by step. But here is the thing, guys. If you don't stick to the end, you are going to miss the best secret, the one that changes everything. So stay with me. Let's make this video that takes your app from zero to hero. First, stop trying to market to every person on earth. Your first 100 users are already in your network. You just have not asked them. Here's what you should do. Write down a list of 100 people, friends, family, colleagues, LinkedIn contacts, anyone who knows you. Reach out to them personally, not spammy, not desperate. For example, you can say, hey, I've just launched this app to solve some specific problem. I would love for you to try it and let me know what you think. And guess what? Some will ignore you, some will say no, but a handful will say yes. And that's your starting base. Now here is the secret. Don't stop there. Ask every person who signs up, who else do you know who would find this useful? People love helping people they trust, and just like that, your user base doubles or triples. And one thing I noticed is that most people don't do this because they are scared of rejection. So please don't be that person. The next big move is to make your app so easy to share that people can't help but talk about it. Think about it. Why do you share things? Either it makes you look good or it's genuinely useful. So build that into your application. Here is an example. Dropdown gave people free storage for every referral. It was simple, effective, and widely viral. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. So ask yourself, can you reward users for inviting others? And this is the most underrated thing I want to talk about now. Dominating communities. I don't know why people don't do this, but this one's a game changer. Go where your users already hang out. Reddit, Facebook groups, Slack channels, Discord servers. These are gold mines. Here is what I do. If I was launching my next product, I would join the communities where my largest target users are active. I would not sell, just listen and engage. Then I would look for pain points. When someone asks for a solution your app solves, that's my moment. I also have an example for you guys. Let's say someone in a small business group says, I'm struggling to manage client follow-ups. If your app solves that, then I would respond with, hey, I built a tool to handle that exact problem. Happy to share it with you. But remember, be human. If you come off salty, you are dead in the water. Now I want to talk about the power of free, where most founders screw up. They overprice their app too soon. Listen, when your product is new, the goal is not to make money. It's to make fans. People are more likely to try something new if it's free. Why? Because there is zero risk. But here is the trick. Your free version needs to be so good that people think, how is this free? Then you might ask me, when we eventually offer a paid version, when they are happy and satisfied, they'll want to pay because they already trust you now. I also will go in this topic in detail in other videos, but you get the point. Right? Build trust first, monetize it later. Already you have stuck around, so here it is, the best strategy for getting your first 1000 users. It's not about ads, it's not about influencers, it's about speed. I have seen many founders fail because they waste months customizing their app, perfecting their logo, or obsessing over features no one cares about. Stop it. Your app will never be perfect. Launch it now. And my recommendation is to use no code tools like Bubble, which is the best platform to do everything first, effective, and in your budget. And one more thing, get it in front of real users today, even if it's not polished. Use their feedback to improve. Repeat fast. Why? Because every day you wait is a day your competitor is moving ahead of you. Done is better than perfect. Imperfect users are better than no users. Also remember, you can fix bugs, you can add features, but you cannot grow without users. Speed wins every time. So I will wrap this video now. If you have any questions, You can either comment here or you can book a call directly with me. I have shared the booking link just below the video in the description, and make sure to like, subscribe and share with those who are looking to gain their first 1000 users. Have a great day. Bye.